Welcome to my channel, to the live stream. Hey, Biceback. Nice to that you joined my live stream. So, what would you like to build today? So, what website or application you have in mind? I'm here to build it in live stream. Still waiting for the inputs. So the goal is today to build a website and keep it public and lovable and I will show you how to do it. Yeah, I can create a website, but you need to give me some guidance. So I will not. I have ideas and I have things to do, but I will just do it what you tell me to do. So basically, I'm your free employee. So you want to build for example, a Pokemon card website, trading card website, or you want to build a website for your soccer team that you play in. Give me some information about them, so that kind of stuff. I need feedback. You need to tell me what I need to post. Otherwise, I can't build it. Card trading. Okay, good, good. What kind of card trading? For Pokemon. Okay, good. Okay. Now you need to decide. So, or what? I'm still waiting. So, I will already prepare the prompt. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Okay, okay, okay. And what do you imagine as card trading? So that you can see your portfolio and you kind of like have it like with FIFA when you have like the packs and then you open the packs by credit. Does that make sense? Okay, let's do FIFA pack. Okay. The website. Yes. Correct. Picture three portfolio. Cards. At the same time by packs that random open which three trade trading us trading. Yeah, for later we can definitely do like trade with others, but let's say what he can comes up with. For now, to make sure you generate a certain amount yourself and the portfolio should look like a book where the card is placed inside once. So for now, it's just the usual baseline. We could maybe baseline it a bit more, but let's see what happens publicly. See what Lovable will create for us. So, Weisbach decided to get a Witcher 3 trading cards website to trade with other people later, maybe make some money. I assume we could easily then make the packs openable and easily trade. But let's see how AI nowadays can create magic for us. So let's see what he does. Let's create an immersive, which is retrading here pack opening experience. It evokes a rich medieval fantasy world with magical elements, leather-bound homes and excitement, discovering rare cards from northern kingdoms. What will build pack opening system with magical animations, books like collection portfolio with leather textures, 30 plus unique picture, 3 cards, characters, monsters, items, rarity system, common rare, epic, legendary, currency system for buying packs, card reveal animations with magical effects, design inspiration from Witcher 3, obviously, dark fantasy aesthetic with deep brown golds and magic blues, grand card, gaming styling, medieval tone, okay, let's go to the system, okay. Now it's trying to think like it's not just you just edit, but it actually had thinking mode on and trying to decide on what to actually build first and move from there. Usually, what already happens is like he's thinking, you can show it and what the thought process is for each individual code piece, but actually that we don't need to know because the magic nowadays is you can build anything and everything without needing to understand the code. Design inspiration, obviously clear here. Currency system, let's see. I'm curious about the currency system, what it does, and what kind of icons it uses, or how it looks. And I hope you guys are excited as well to see what is happening. So, are you guys still here, or you have already left us? So, what the AI will do now is create the website. Okay, we are getting something is happening. Let's see, made three. Um, the baseline of the packs. Usually, what happens, so like in general, Lovable always takes one pack of UI and code and goes from there, then add on top of it. So this pre-made project that it then goes up and does more. Okay, still doing. Oh, so. Uh, what do you mean with two currency systems? Why two? I liked actually that he just initially just took like 30 plus. I also think that most people would get crazy. Yeah, but yeah, okay. Yeah, so actually, Bryce Beck, this is a really great idea. I think if you build it well, y- and people would like to use it and do it, I'm curious to see if you can like extend it to like football and then get partnerships with big corporations and then let them have the thing going on. Yeah. Okay. I think in this project, generally speaking, it just takes a bit more because it's a bit more complicated, and also, as you can see, it generated images. Curious how many images is generated because it costs money usually, and it shouldn't destroy my credits. Let's see. Right now, I still have 180 credits left. Let's see. Ooh, he wants to have more images, and sometimes it can be also off on the location and the positioning. Um, but let's. Um, yeah, I know you what you want to do. Yeah, sometimes it takes a bit longer. It depends on what you're doing. If you just like random, like just create me something simple as usual, it takes not that much. But this one is obviously more creative. So Bicepack had a really great idea. Oh, it definitely did choose really ugly design. Yeah, definitely you can do basketball and football. Okay, so yeah, the UI is decision is really bad. Um, View collection. Oh, the images are not that bad. The scrolling doesn't work, which is weird. Okay, so we have some couple of issues. So let's see, visit the shop. So here we have a pack as well. No scrolling. Scrolling is broken. Great. I can't even get back, I think. Okay, so we have some issues that we need to resolve. Okay. Cards and packs. So nothing right now. Okay, let's start with the navigation bar. Okay. So, so, yeah, it's not really readable based on the color palette we chose. You have chosen, and the text is white white background. So that needs to be fixed. Fixed. And the buttons. It's too small. So yeah. Okay. So that would be good to fix it. Then enter the word of the witcher. Okay. Visit the shop is broken. Great. The view collection looks good, but broken as well, kind of. Um, and I imagine like we have 30 cards, but so far, no. Okay, so there are a couple issues as well. View visuals UI here, and not all images have been generated. Let's see how much tokens it. Oh yeah, it's start eating our credits. Um, but yeah, so let's fix this one by one. Oh, now we are getting there. Great. Okay, so the shop. Just a second. Um, yeah, the shop. Okay, the shop. Like we can't see the full entire shop. We can't see the entire shop, and I can't get out of that view. Man, my credits are too low. Look, guys, like I can't even buy it. I have 500 credits, and the Elder Blood Pack costs around 1,000. I'm poor. Um, yeah. Okay. So let's refresh the page. Now, obviously, you can see the issue. I can see the issue as well. Um, yeah, this page is as well not really scrollable and viewable. This is really bad, actually. Um, collections. here as well. It's not scrollable, and maybe we can make things smaller that it fits, but the cards can be the focus to next to another. No, let's not make it small. Let's make it scrollable, and make sure that information in the card shown see is cut off bit. So there's a lot of things sometimes when you need to do things. Oh yeah, now look, show much better now. Okay, and like catch up. Maybe I can add here a share button, so we can share with our friends, and then we can save the money, like share the product, and then we get credits. Um, Wait a second. So view collection. It has actually scrolling inside, but before it didn't have, correct? Um, but it fixed it now. Okay. Okay, but then the navbar for the collection needs to be reduced. Collections view navbar is too much. It is taking too much space. Okay, then it would actually fit. And the navigation buttons should be on the bottom actually. Yeah, because that's bad UI design. So our shop, you will get in a second to buy a pack. So far we haven't decided to buy a pack. I think as for the images, we can later on do that as well. But I think it would be great to for now. Well, I think what also would be great if we have a daily dice where you can win credits. That would be good. Can we add to the shop on the, should we add it to the shop or here on top? Alright. Shop button on the left is credits to uh, roll the dice to win credits, or like something like that. That can be used daily one time. Also with a jackpot for 2,000 credits. Yeah, so yeah, it's not better, but yeah, okay. So you see, it's much better UI now. Like on the bottom is the navigation. Obviously, it's a bit cut off, but it's on purpose because I still want to have the view really well. Yeah, you could actually go in more details to make the progress and everything else smaller, but we are just like testing things out. And also the card. Oops. Okay, this needs to be improved. This is really horrible. Like, well, what's going on here? Um, I assume you guys are interested to buy a pack to see what happens. Roll the dice. Yes, this is the animation I was looking for. Like your daily dice. Oh man, and 1% chance to get the jackpot. Jesus. Shall we roll the dice? Let me know. Uh, Login bonus? Oh, but Jesus, yeah, login bonus would be as well. Yeah, but yeah, but let's roll the dice and see what actually happens if it explodes. Ooh, yeah, but the dice I won credits, but actually it is just something better here. Visual animation effect, or like rolling real dice numbers. Yeah, but we have no more credits. Let's buy a pack and see what happens actually. Well, this UI I like. Uh, buy a pack. Wow. Yeah, I think this detail page and this pack opening is. I already see the all the. I opened the pack and I see already the results. That shouldn't be the case. Open a pack. It shouldn't show me already. Let's decide. Prefer to see the pack and have a flip on flip on click and the back should be generated and use that the level rare comma. So the question is like how. Yeah, so there's a lot of things broken here. Okay, but I got now 5 cards. So let's see if my collection actually shows the cards. Ooh, look, I have the 5 cards here inside. Yeah, obviously the images are missing. Better rarity gives better animations. That's a good idea. Better rarity gives better animations on card flip after opening. Yeah, sometimes you need to be specific as well where you're doing it, in which section. So otherwise, it's not clear for the AI to. Yeah, okay, I do it here, then I need to find out where. Um, it's still doing. Okay, it's still doing the change that we discussed. But it's nice to see. Look, we have already our pack and we have 5. We lost not much. We were lucky. How many? What actually would be good if we can actually filter, like at least see the differences, like how many rares, legendaries, and so we have, like, yeah, filtering as well. I think there's a lot of things you can do here, like from doing the filtering, from doing the just showing as well how many rares you have, how many legendaries you have. Um, yeah. Uh, have this good idea. Pack. But only on the pack or the card? Yeah, card pack and calculate different sound. Yeah, I'm curious if you got a right system this is not this is not really trivial for AI specifically as well to do. To like opening a pack. Okay, I'm kind of afraid what's gonna happen. Okay, okay, so it's better now. It's better. Um, okay. Yeah, so it's better now, definitely, but still not there where we want it to be. And we have a crash. Great. So if you click on something, it breaks. Wow. This is obviously not what I was expecting to happen. Um, yeah, I think I can start like a list of things that needs to be fixed and improved. Um, but I think let's focus on for now on the opening the pack. I can roll again the dice. So shall we to roll the dice? Let's see if that animation worked. Roll the dice for mystical dice for random credits. Jackpot is 2,000 credits. Yeah, roll it, roll it. Ooh, wow. I won quite a lot actually. That's a really good based on the percentage it gave me. Collect the credits, give it to me. So wait a second. If I refresh the page, I can do another rolling the dice. So this is how you can lose a lot of money. So I can do it again. For now, I leave the bug in, so we can actually play around with it. But it's actually good. The idea can like the AI can. I thought there's always some weird animation, some weird behaviors, because you need to actually tell what's the right guidance, what should be a good way to do it. So I'm curious, like, price pack. Can buy a new pack. We have now more money. Okay, I heard something. I'm not sure if you guys heard it. Yeah. Doot, doot. Okay. Nice. That actually works. Now I need to get rid of the flashing. So, flashing open the pack. And next. I think here on this screen, when I buy the pack, when I buy pack, when I buy the pack, I don't want the pack image to flip, but the confetti and the cutback should be all the same. Yeah, I'm not sure why he did it. Uh, yeah, true. Yeah, cut. Yes, we should all have the same background. Cut image. We should not see the background. This is a rarity. How do you what rarity? I don't know about it anyway. Wait a second. Rarity. This would help then. So this makes it exciting. After they will see it. Achso, flashing issue replaces perfect. Okay, let's see what going. Yeah, especially for this one, I think like you would definitely need to have a certain plan on the project and goal and things you do, and as yeah, we need to make the people addicted like FIFA. When you open a pack, you're excited and sharing it on YouTube that you get crazy about it. Yeah, sorry for leaning you back, but I think we can now see. Let's roll the dice. I'm already addicted. Oh no! I thought I got like 600. Why? That's not good. So open my pack. Where's the confetti? Now I got legendaries. At least the flickering is gone. Um, it's not done. Wait a second. Should be actually done. Yeah, Jesus, Iceberg. It's just now for now. Like it's fine that there's some weird sounds. Like we just want to finish the concept. Uh, let me just check if it's. Oh yeah, here again. Let's roll again. So I think we can definitely add something to say like makes the game more addicted. So let's close and see how many we have so far from our collection. Oh god. It seems like when I refresh all the information is gone. So we don't have anything in our collection. So that you should actually store in the backend. Oh now it's why did it do two flips? Wow! Did you see the special effect for Griffin? Nice. So for the blue one, it's double flip, and then for the better one, it's like getting crazy. But it works. It's nice. It's nice. Nice. So let's buy a better pack. Visit our shop. I want to. I need more money. Let's roll it so we have more money. 32. I definitely should. Okay, let's see. Oof. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. What? Ooh, yeah. I'm already addicted to this game. Really nice. So um, let me let me make sure. Like I want to keep my collection because if I now refresh, it's gonna be gone. Uh, Usually in the backend to start, but we can do it here now with local storage. Storage the cards packs plus the information about bar. That's also from the collection. Gone. So now we are storing it. I'm rolling the dice. I'm getting the jackpot. Ooh. 200. I can open a new pack. Yeah, but the confetti as well didn't work. Too many comments. Yes. One Escal. I don't even know if the name is correct. But what I noticed is that the card stats, the card stats also. Collections, collections, and pack. All the names are correct. Oh, nice. And pack. And collection and packs opening. Careful. Please investigate. Okay, collection is empty. Okay, let's do it again. Guaranteed epic. Aha. Bravo. Aha, I got 12. I hope it. Oh, I'm rich. 3 epics. I hope this time it saves it. I think we already had implemented it. Let's see if it stays. Yay! It stays. That was a good pack, yeah. That was worth the money. So what's the course? Like, what is the price course? Like, what's the course on how many credits are euro or 10 euros? How many credits are 10 euros? Okay, the stats are fixed, as you can see. This we can fix later. Like 1000 is what? 2 euros? Like, what's the conversion for the currency? I think we need to have inside the shop like a way to buy in our shop. We need to buy credits in euros for 3.99. You get 1,200 credits. You can have multiple prices and have images of gold bags that can be gold. But for now, I will do like 3.99, 200. A bit too much. Yeah, but the pricing is like 1,000 and I already have it nearly all the packs. Let's do 400 and see where we go from there. By the way, here's a preview. So you can also go on the website. Press back. That's the beauty of Lovable. So you have already a preview page that you can use, and we have built this in public, so people can also see it. I'm not sure if we're gonna get sued tomorrow, but I think so far we are so far from it. So the maximum 21 cards. We could make that bigger. I assume the characters are like the locations and other things and items and car pricing. I think all of that can be much more cards. Um, the probability fund definitely is like a turn-based game as well with the cards you have already. Um, let's see if we get this right because I need to buy credits. Like I'm not sure, but I think you already changed it that I that it doesn't reset my credits. So so we can now buy packs and roll the dice. Let's roll. I want the jackpot. Oh, that's good actually. Um, I want to have 6,000. Buy me 6,000. I want now the legendary cards. And price back, do you think the card should be not like stacked like this, more like with other games, one but behind each other? Yeah, give me feedback, otherwise I will change that. The opened pack card be behind each other and slightly off to the right. And when open, the card moves to the left and the next card moves to the left. Yeah, let's see if he gets that. I think that's a tricky one. Oh, but before he does, I want to open. Four legendary. What a legendary. Epic as well. Come on. Oof. Ach, the same. Jesus. Epic at least. Yeah, nice. Perfect. But this is too the same, I don't know. Look, this is the issue with this UI. It's like that we decided to actually change it, that we can get out because like now it's blocking the whole entire view and we can't see anything. And what a shame that we get two legends that are the same. So let's see it. We're getting there. I have a two times look. It even counts now how often do you have, so you can trade it. Um, that's okay. Okay, it already knows. Yeah. Also, in this, you usually like you would look at other packs opening systems and then decide on the mechanics how it should go. But it usually does it on its own and tries to understand. Okay, let's see. You, okay, there's also again some UI issue. What do you mean? Are the doubles for selling it now? Yeah, well, okay, you can sell it for 1 cent. Let's see what happens. Oopala. Nice. Yeah, but as you can see here, like the mechanics are kind of like off, but the behavior it shows the behavior is already showing the correct things. Huh? Um, yeah. Okay, that's really good. Um, really, really promising. So far, I think we have been in 50 minutes. We have built a card, trading card game. Um, Obviously, the cards here is incorrect. Three packs. I opened definitely more packs. The money is fine. Like the UI could be obviously on the website be more thing. I think the last thing to fix for playing around with it would be maybe mm, viewing your collection. Like this one is really off. The card. The, please. So then it's better split. So you have better insight to things, and then you can look at it right on your account. Maybe we can do before I destroy my credits. Maybe we can say to add some more images so you can play around with the price back and share with your friends. It's your creation. I didn't do it. Like I just executed on the prompting of the thing. I'm not sure what he was thinking. Ah, look how it changed. Can you see it? Um, it's still a bit weird behavior, but uh, I think the point is taken here. How it actually works. No, that is really good. Um, yeah, let's see. Okay, let's add some more images. Let's see where is it. Okay. I noticed collection doesn't make each card. Um, card. Have oh, I see. Sikander has missed everything. Okay, Sikander. So, welcome to our Witcher trading cards website. So, you have credits, you see your cards, your packs, which you open. You can open packs, buy credits, and then share it with your friends or skip it trade as well. So here you can view your collection that we opened right now. We have legendaries, epics, and rare ones. I think let me just go here, rare ones, and then you select them, get the stats, get the information about the character. Oh, look, we already have more images, and then close it. I hope it doesn't destroy my credits. Like I'm not sure what they're doing. And then you go to the shop. In the shop now you can buy more credits for 8.99. Maybe with that view, like I think the coloring on this shop we need to fix as well. This is really horrible. Um, what's the color? Color is white and text is white as well. Let's check. Yeah, so that should be then fixed. Maybe, yeah, but I'm not like gonna. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, best, like you would usually take your time and go into detailing of each screen, but today's goal is just to get it running because every piece I would then say, like, for example, I would change, say, like, okay, a navbar. Let's do the navbar, change the naming, change the color, change the background color, make it bigger, make it smaller, to like constantly change things. It would never end. So maybe he was even not using our standard background color. So, oh Jesus, please not. Yeah, so you can then buy, for example, credits. Yeah. Did he remove our rolling the dice? My. So we had also secondary rolling the dice, so you can win a jackpot of 2,000. Look what he did, as you said, Pressback. Dark. Mm, also the two packs don't have a shop. Yeah, so you can once daily you can roll the dice to win. Um, if Sikander is online, I can still show you. Um, okay, let's buy a pack. This is now the flow. Reveal card. It goes to the side. Nice. That is fucking amazing. If I can say that. So some images are still missing, but it's now better. Otherwise, I will not have credits left. Okay, so now I can view my collections. I'm already at 16. Looks nice. Let's see if the packs. Well, this is a bit legendary still missing. So that's the last prompt for today and our stream. Um, and then this would also hit our 1 hour mark. Um, let's see if it's legendary. Why does it not go the legendary one? Oh, that didn't work somehow. Anyways, thank you, Biceback, for your great idea. I will try to build this as well as Pixel Folk AI. So it's basically a pixel game generator, and um, see if I can do that there as well. More focus as well on generating assets as well for the game itself, and to see if that works. So that will be awesome if it pixels. We have a kind of like old Pokemon style pixelated trading card game. Yeah. So would you achieve a price bank, your own trading card game website that you can share with your friends and play around with? Um, time has changed, and welcome to the new era of AI. I hope you guys like the stream, and see you in the next one. Bye.